Hi, we are Kontakt.io, a leader in inpatient journey analytics. We use AI, IoT, and real-time location data to help your hospital understand how patients and equipment move through the care delivery so that you can uncover waste, optimize workflows, streamline capacity, and make your staff and patients feel seen and valued. Our solution will help solve one of the biggest, most time-consuming problems faced by healthcare professionals: finding the mobile medical equipment you need when you need it. As you know, it can be hard to find certain assets in any healthcare facility. However, when you need something to get your job done, you need it now. That's where we come in. We make it easy to find any piece of equipment. No more searching hallways and closets. No asking around. No time wasted. Here's how it works. Our Portal-lite devices are plugged into electrical outlets throughout the facility, and we attach tags to any equipment needing to be tracked. Portal-lites receive real-time location data from the tagged assets. It's that simple. Once everything is connected, you'll get the precise location of IV pumps, wheelchairs, beds, or anything else. The bottom line? Less time wasted on searching for what you need. More time saved for what you need to do. All we need from you is to make all assets that need tracking available when we set the system up. Ready to take your medical equipment management to the next level with us? Talk to us today at Kontakt.io.